Hello, in this video I'll show you how to do an oil service reset on the Citroen C5. The oil service reset can be done from the dashboard and with a scan tool. In this video I'm going to show you how to do the oil service reset from the dashboard. First we're going to turn the ignition on, and when we turn the ignition on it says service on the top. Now we're going to turn the ignition off and press the third button on the dashboard, which is the 000. We press that button, and while we keep pressing it we're going to turn the ignition on. Now it will start counting until 0, then we can release the button and turn the ignition off. It says serene initialization performed. That means the oil service indicator is reset. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.